Hello, Peter checking in again. This is day 15 of our meditation series here. Why does meditation take years to master? No, it doesn't. It doesn't really. I love the Qigong practice that I teach, and that was how I really got into meditation, because it's from South Korea. Rilche Lee created it under Dharma Yoga. It's now called Body and Brain. And the instructors used to teach in a light-hearted, fun manner. And that really appealed to me, because I was coming from the rock, as a rock musician, from this very serious, talking about the ethereal ways of life and drinking heavily, and came into this fun class with these wonderful, light-hearted Koreans teaching this really deep stuff. And I really enjoyed that. And it got me into it quite quickly. And I learned to alleviate my stress and anxiety very, very quickly through the Qigong classes, which you can try on this channel. I do actually teach them here in a light-hearted manner, so you can try that. And you can get into it quite quickly. And it's moving the body. Then when you move the body, work the body out a little bit, you get deeper into your meditations. I know Tony Robbins does it with a sauna and then an ice bath. But you can do it through the Qigong, where you work the body, you get the heart pumping, and then you go into a deeper meditation, which is what the class format is. That's like that. It helps you to get into a deeper meditation. So no, it doesn't take you years to master. It takes you a long time to master, I say, but it doesn't take you years to get into it. You can get into it quite quickly. You start to discover what's inside of you, which is all good. Believe me, it's all the preconceptions, old emotions and feelings that aren't good that tend to weigh us down, so you can get past that. If you haven't tried it already, there's a 5 meditation technique webinar, which is absolutely free. You can click the link. If you want to try the Qigong classes, you just need to like and subscribe, ring the bell, and you'll get notifications for the Qigong classes, and I'll see you in the next video.